It's Friday. Sultan is cleaning his room and Fatma is tidying up her toys in their home. They're going to go to the museum park with their parents.
Yay! I'm so excited to play in this park. Wow! Look there. Who is that man?
He is a chef.
Mmm! Yummy! Does he cook every day?
Yes, he does. Look at that girl. She is my friend Sarah. She is eating pasta.
Yummy! I like pasta. Does she eat pasta every day?
No, she doesn't.
Hey, there is my friend Hassan. He is playing football.
Does he play football every day?
Yes, he does.
Now, my lovely students, look at the board and answer. Does she eat every day?
Yes, he does.
Does he ride a bike every day?
Yes, he does.
Does he play football every day?
No, he doesn't.
Does she play tennis every day?
No, she doesn't.
Very excellent job. You are brilliant. See you next time.